Hello everyone, welcome back to Fantail Pigeon. So today I am going to show you all my fancy birds. First, this is my fancy bird section. So I will start from here. This is Fantail. So they are in the incubation period. They are my Sytinette pair. As you can see, this is dark in color and that one is blue eyes Sytine. So they will soon, I hope that they will lay eggs soon. They are Sriracha pair. They are also in egg incubation period. They are my Sytinette pair, as they had already hatched one baby. As you can see, there is really small baby, so I cannot disturb them. Now this is black fantail and white fantail crossbreeding progress. As you can see, there is one baby and I have transferred that baby to this pair. So in this loft there are 3 fantail, 2 are black fantail and one is recessive red or S color fantail. This is not fancy, this is high flyer pair. They are called soleti. So now I'm moving here. So these two fantail was this fantail's baby. So they have laid 2 eggs. That's why I have done this temporary partition for this, because I don't have other loft to keep this fantail pair. They are also in the incubation period. There are 2 eggs. So now you can check it out, this beautiful pair. One is white-tail brown pigeon. Female is white-tail and male is S color or red bar fantail. They have also has 2 babies. So this is my king pigeon. I'm searching for a female for this beautiful king male. So now I'm moving here. In this loft there are pair of king. They are young pigeon, so they will lay egg after few months. They are also beautiful bird. So I have completed this all loft. I have shown you. As you can see, this beautiful strawberry fins and this one zebra fins. They are also beautiful and they are my budgies. This is bantam chicken. One is brown, red is brown in color, and this male is beautiful cream color Japanese bantam. As you can see, here are some bantam chicken chicks. As you can see, they are Sytinette young birds. They are hand-tamed birds. They are hand-tamed bird. They are also beautiful. As you can see, this is a blue bar, and this is dark striped checker bird. So thank you everyone for watching this video. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Fantail Pigeon. So thank you everyone. Bye bye.